how to log into your Uber Eats account after forgetting your password. So the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into the ubereats.com, or you can get the application. Just make sure that you have either the website or application. Then you can simply tap on the login or sign in button you'll be able to see on the app. On your website, simply tap on the profile icon on the top, where you'll be able to get into the login page, where you can simply add in your phone number or your email address of your Uber Eats. And when you tap on continue, there you'll be able to verify within the 6-digit passcode that you'll be able to get on your email. Here, if you have created your account using any of those platforms, then you can tap on them and simply log into your account like that too. But here, there's no requirement of actually adding down the password of your Uber Eats. Either way, if you even log in using any of those platforms, there won't be any requirement of your Uber Eats password, because there will only be a requirement of your Google ID or your Apple ID password. So you don't have to worry about it. All you need to do is enter your phone number or email address, tap on continue, then you'll be able to get that 6-digit code. Type in that 6-digit code and you'll successfully be able to log into your Uber Eats account after forgetting password.